So your air suspension compressor runs all the time, and you think it needs to be replaced. Hold on. The compressor is almost never the first part to fail. It's usually the last. Your Velar's compressor is running constantly because it's trying to make up for a leak somewhere else in the system. The compressor itself is just a simple air pump. Its job is to fill a reservoir tank, which acts like a pressure battery. From there, a valve block acts like a switchboard, sending stored air to the air springs at each corner of your vehicle. If the tank has a tiny crack, or the valve block has a bad seal, the compressor has to run non-stop just to keep the system topped up. That constant work is what eventually burns it out. Replacing only the compressor without finding the leak means the new one will fail for the exact same reason. Your first step is to find that leak, and all you need is a spray bottle with a little dish soap and water. Start with the air reservoir tank. With the engine running to keep the system pressurized, spray down the entire tank. Pay close attention to the plastic weld seam that runs around the middle and the brass fittings where the air lines connect. You aren't looking for big, soapy bubbles. You're looking for tiny fizzing spots, almost like a slow puncture on a tire. That's your leak. This is the most common failure point. If the tank is clean, move to the valve block, which is usually mounted near the tank or compressor. It's a small metal block with several air lines connected to it. Spray every one of those connections and the body of the block itself. The O-rings that seal those lines become hard and brittle over time, and a leak here is often silent. If you see fine bubbles forming around an airline nut or a solenoid, you've found your problem. A slow, steady leak here is often why a compressor runs for a few minutes every time you start the car. Next, check the air springs, or struts, at each corner. A good way to test them is to raise the vehicle to its off-road height and leave it parked overnight. If it hasn't dropped by morning, your struts are probably fine. But to be certain, spray the rubber bellows on each strut, especially in the folds where cracks can hide. Also, spray the top mount where the airline goes in. A leaking strut is less common, but it does happen. If you've done all that and found zero external leaks, the issue might be inside the compressor itself. The piston ring inside can wear out, causing it to push air back and forth without actually building pressure. A key indicator is the air dryer. This is a small canister attached to the compressor filled with desiccant beads. If you open it and find the beads are wet, clumpy, or have turned to powder, it means the dryer is saturated, and moisture has destroyed the compressor from the inside. At this point, a simple rebuild kit with a new piston seal and fresh desiccant can often fix it without needing a whole new unit. Ignoring a constantly running compressor will, at best, burn out the motor. At worst, the electrical relay that powers it can get stuck in the on position, draining your battery or even creating a fire risk. A $5 O-ring or a $50 rebuild kit can save you from replacing a $1,000 compressor assembly. So before you order any parts, grab your soapy water. Your compressor is running because it has to. Your job is to find out why.